finish line.
Okay.
Okay, on the count of beep, 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 okay?
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, I didn't say beep, beep, beep. That wasn't it. Back up, back up, back up, back up. On the count of beep, beep, beep. Not beep, beep. You're gonna cheat here. All right, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Go! That's R2D2. Good job, R2. That was a clean start that time too, so I can't chalk it up to cheating. Pretty good. All right. Don't let Ogagar know about this though, okay? We won't tell.
We won't tell.
Yeah, as long, I think that's the main problem. Betting credits is the issue. It's not so much racing.